Can your PC handle games? Let's check using one simple PowerShell command. Open Windows PowerShell and type this command. Press Enter to display your Windows performance scores. Focus on the D3D score and graphics score. Below 5.0, best for office work and web browsing. 5.0 to 6.9 can run older or lightweight games at low settings. 7.0 to 7.9, good for many games at 1080p with medium to high settings. 8.0 and above, great for modern games with high graphics settings. These scores are only a quick Windows performance assessment. Actual game performance also depends on your graphics card, processor, RAM, and the game's requirements. Don't be left behind. Stay secure, stay updated, like, share, and follow for more tech tips and reminders.